Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. I am so pumped to have you here today. Look, if you've been thinking about jumping into the Go High-Level ecosystem, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're doing a highly strategic teardown of exactly how to enter this massive software platform without wasting a single second of your time or a single dime of your hard-earned money. We're going to look closely at the data, the source material, and some expert insights to build you a totally bulletproof entry plan. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's kick things off with a question that honestly might make you a little uncomfortable. Are you wasting your free trial? It's incredibly common, you just blindly jump right into a complex software platform because you're excited, right? We've all been there. But the literal second you do that, a very real, very unforgiving clock starts ticking. We're going to make absolutely sure you never fall into that trap. To do that, we've got a fantastic roadmap for you today. We'll start by comparing the direct versus affiliate paths. Then we'll dive into the extended trial advantage, we'll break down support and bonus features, figure out exactly how to beat that ticking clock, and finally, wrap up by guiding you through picking your pricing plan. All right, Section 1, direct versus affiliate paths, because how you enter this ecosystem fundamentally changes your entire experience right from the start. There is an immediate, massive difference in value depending on the path you choose. If you just head straight over to the Go High Level homepage and click Sign Up, you get a standard 14-day free trial. I mean, anybody can get that. But if you take the affiliate path, well, the platform actually empowers their successful affiliates to offer an upgraded 30-day free trial. It's literally a completely different starting line for your business. And that transitions us perfectly into our next section, the extended trial advantage. We're talking about buying crucial time for your business to actually take off. 30 days. Honestly, that number is everything. An extra 16 days might not sound like a lifetime, but in the software world, it's the difference between succeeding and throwing in the towel. It gives you more than double the time to get your business fully set up, entirely risk-free, before you ever see a single charge hit your credit card. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. You can't just find these 30-day links by browsing around the main website. No way. The secret is that these upgraded trials are gateways provided directly by affiliates. So if you want to share this strategy with your team or anyone else, just let them check the links in the description below those videos. That is where the extended runway actually lives. Now, extra time is great, but guidance is even better. Let's look at Section 3, support and bonus features, and how choosing the right mentor really accelerates your path to success. Top affiliates offer this absolutely incredible ecosystem of resources. Think about it. If you sign up directly, you're only getting the standard platform support, but successful affiliates essentially hand you a complete business system on a silver platter. We're talking free SaaS jumpstart courses and white label onboarding resources you can use directly with your own clients. And just look at that cold email outreach snapshot. Our source material notes that building a cold email setup with all the automations and funnels, that can take weeks of grueling work. But with an affiliate snapshot, you can literally install it and be up and running in mere hours. Plus, you're getting direct one-on-one email or even personalized Loom video support from someone who actually knows what they're doing. It's a total game changer. And this brilliantly illustrates the high-level value we're talking about with a concept like the page port. It was mentioned by marketing legend Frank Kern. It's basically a customization tool that automatically puts a prospect's name right onto a sales page the very moment they click a link in your email. It makes your agency shine, right? And this is exactly the kind of advanced, tangible tool you can get for absolutely free just by entering the ecosystem through the right affiliate path. But listen up, because you cannot take this choice lightly. As the source explicitly warns, quote, "You really are not allowed to change it with HighLevel. They're very strict about that." You really need to do your research here. Does the affiliate have a YouTube channel? Do they run a private community for answering questions? Because once you sign up under someone, the platform rarely lets you switch later on. Your initial choice basically locks you in for good. Which brings us to the absolute most critical strategic advice of this entire explainer. Section 4, beat the ticking clock. Whatever you do, don't start the meter until you are completely ready. Let's walk through how this builds into the ultimate rookie mistake. Follow these steps with me. Step 1, people get all excited and sign up blindly without a solid plan. Step 2, that 14 or 30-day trial clock starts ticking immediately. Step 3, and this is the tragic part, they spend days, sometimes literally weeks, just sitting there watching training videos, trying to figure out what they're even supposed to be doing. And step 4, the trial expires, their credit card gets charged, and they haven't landed a single client yet. Ouch. So, what's the solution? Well, here is your bulletproof chronological timeline. Step 1, Take a free Jumpstart training course before you ever actually sign up for the software. Spend a week just learning. Step 2, figure out your specific pricing, your packaging, and exactly what businesses you're going to target. Only when you have that fully locked in do you move to step 3, using those affiliate links to grab that 30-day trial and officially start the clock. If you do it in this exact order, you can hit the ground running and actually land clients before your trial is even up.
Finally, let's talk about what happens when you do finally click that link. Section 5, picking your pricing plan. It all comes down to starter versus pro.
Once you're actually on the sign-up page, you have to choose your tier. If you're a complete beginner, just learning the ropes and taking those jumpstart courses, the starter plan is exactly where you need to be. However, if you're already in the digital marketing space and you've got 1, 5, or 10 clients ready to migrate over immediately, go straight for the pro plan. The source makes a really fantastic point about this. If you start on the lower tier but quickly realize you need those advanced billing features, upgrading to pro later requires you to entirely reconfigure your agency setup. It is a huge pain. So save yourself the headache and just choose based on your current client roster. And that brings us to our final thought for today. Are you ready to start the clock? Because you now have the exact blueprint. You know not to rush, you know to secure your knowledge and your business model first. And you know that when the time is absolutely right, all the extended trials you need are waiting for you through the right affiliate partners. So get your strategy straight, find the right mentor, and go build something incredible. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really can't wait to guide you through our next deep dive.